Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today we will title guys how can we start app lock in Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to start guys your phone app lock settings, and how can you start today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we start app lock in Infinix phone device and how to use it. Open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone security setting, then guys again scroll app log tab here. So friends, we will have to draw any pattern, so we will select any pattern, and guys, don't forget your pattern guys. So guys, I will select this head, and guys your security question that we will have to set. So guys, we will set here guys any name. So example guys, I will take as this 2AA and done option. Friends, you can see app log will start. So as you can see, this already get this app are logged. So guys, you can see guys, if I use guys my Gboard and guys any Chrome app. So friends, you can see guys, first of all guys, lock your phone and guys unlock your phone. As you can see, when I will use guys this Chrome app and guys any app. So as you can see, I have see guys this app lock. So I will draw my pattern to unlock this Chrome app. So like that guys, we can use app lock and we can start. So bye guys.